In this video, I will show you how we made $434 in one single day from YouTube without showing my face and without using my voice, just by uploading faceless YouTube videos. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel just by using free AI tools without investing any money. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, it's up to $434 in one single day. That's really a lot of money, guys, as you can see, and you can also make like this. Okay, so what you will do, so let's start. What you will do is you need to choose trending and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how we can find trending topics? What you will do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, click on the search over here and ask questions. So for example, we ask how to save. For example, you can ask any question: how to make, how to save, how to do, how to and any question. Just ask any question you want, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, I asked how to save. YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for, as you can see over here. Okay, people are searching for how to save a life, how to save money, how to save Instagram video in gallery, how to save money with low income. So what you will do is you need to choose one of those topics. So for example, I will choose this one, how to save money. Okay, what you will do next is you need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. It's easy and it's for free. You can sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm just using the free version, as you can see. Okay, so you need to come to ChatGPT and ask him, make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about how to save money, like this. Click over here and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube scripts, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to turn this YouTube script into voice over. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it, as you can see. So let's see. Your choice will be better, makes ChatGPT better. So this is will give you two scripts, as you can see. You can choose which one you like, as you can see. Okay, so let me see. They are good, both are good. Okay, so let me, okay, so let's choose this one. As you can see, this is your title. Okay, introduction and budgeting magic. Okay, this is, so what you will need to do now is you need to copy this script. Okay, so let me see. I will choose this one, scroll down, I will copy this YouTube script like this. Okay, and you need to turn this YouTube script into voice over. So you can use your own voice over if you want. If you don't want to use your own voice over, you can go to Google, search for Play HT, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, and of course it's for free, you can use it for free. So click over here on change voice. You will find a lot of voiceovers here that you can check and choose which one you like. Okay, so they have American voiceover, British voiceover, Australian voiceover, and so on. Let's check this one.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the roles for which he is best known.
You see, let's check this one.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it just looks like they're doing nothing, kind of.
You see, they have good quality voiceovers. Okay, so I just choose this one and put your YouTube script here like this. Okay, then click over here on generate speech. Okay, and your voiceover will be ready in few seconds. Okay, as you can see, so it's really easy and simple. You can start with $0. You can use ChatGPT to make YouTube script. You can use YouTube search to search for trending and interesting topics, and you can use this website AI website voiceover play HT to record your YouTube scripts. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this script to be recorded. Okay, so after you finish, you will click on this icon over here. Okay, and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. Then we need to turn this voiceover into an engaging YouTube script. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's easy and simple. Okay, so let's wait. And here you go, your voiceover will be ready. Let's check this voiceover.
First up, it's time to wave the budgeting wand. Creating a budget is like having a financial roadmap. It helps you track your income, set spending limits, and identify areas where you can cut back. There are tons of apps out there like Mint,
and here you go. What you will do, click on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. So what you will do next is you will go to Canva. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, click on upload. You need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover over here. You will click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. Then go to the first page. Click between those two pages. Click on add transition. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more professional and engaging. So for me, I'm gonna choose this one. Make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page. Your transition will be applied between all your page. Click on elements, then search for, okay, so which topic let me see, how to save money. Okay, let's go back to, click on element, click on the search for save money. Okay, because this video is about how to save money. Click on, you will find a lot of videos here. I will choose, for example, this one. Click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background. Click here, swipe right, or you can swipe left and make it short. Okay, it's easy. Then click on the next page and add different videos. Keep using this method like this. It's easy and simple. Next page. Then I will use this one over here, like this. I will make it like, okay, then I will make it short. I will add this one here, make it like this. Next page. I will add this one here, animation video. Okay, so let's check this video now, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion.
First up, it's time to wave the budgeting wand. Creating a budget is like having a financial roadmap. It helps you track your income, set spending limits, and identify areas where you can cut back. There are tons of apps out there like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Excel sheet can do the trick.
And as you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video just by using free AI tools. Okay, so you just need to give it time. I just show you the method. Give it time, you can make better videos, and you can search for videos that will be matched with your voiceover. So this is the method, and you just need to give it time and try it. Okay, you don't need to invest any money. It's for free, $0. You can start with $0. After you finish, like I said, you can click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel and start uploading videos like this. Stay consistent and you will be succeed on YouTube, start making money, and that's it. It's easy and simple. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.